Thangamile Jewelry Q3 FY26 results, revenue doubles, profit soars over 100%. Thangamile Jewelry delivered a standout performance in the reported quarter, reflecting strong consumer demand and effective retail execution. The results underline how scale, festive demand, and store expansion are translating into sharp financial growth. For the quarter, the company reported revenue of around 2,406 crore rupees, marking a more than two-fold increase compared to the same period last year. This surge was supported by strong wedding and festive demand, higher gold prices, and increased footfalls across stores. Profitability also saw a significant jump. Net profit rose to approximately 105 crore rupees, reflecting a sharp year-on-year improvement. The increase in profit highlights the benefits of operating leverage as higher sales volumes absorbed fixed store and administrative costs. At the operating level, EBITDA grew strongly during the quarter. While input costs and operating expenses increased due to scale and expansion, the company managed to maintain healthy operating margins through higher turnover and better inventory rotation. A key aspect of this quarter's performance is the quality of revenue growth. Sales growth was driven not only by gold price appreciation but also by higher volumes, improved product mix, and strong customer demand across categories. Gold jewelry remained the largest contributor to revenue, supported by traditional buying patterns during the wedding season. At the same time, silver and diamond jewelry witnessed better traction, indicating broader customer engagement and cross-selling success. Retail expansion continued to play an important role in growth. New store additions and improved performance of recently opened outlets contributed meaningfully to incremental revenue during the quarter. Sequentially, the company showed steady momentum, with each quarter building on the previous one. This suggests that the performance was not purely seasonal but also supported by sustained demand and brand strength. From a working capital perspective, inventory levels increased in line with higher sales activity. Managing inventory efficiently remains critical in the jewelry business, especially during periods of gold price volatility. Looking at the broader jewelry sector, organized players have been gaining market share due to trust, transparency, and brand recall. Thangamile's strong regional presence positions it well to benefit from this ongoing shift. However, investors should also track margin sustainability. Rising operating costs, store expansion expenses, and competitive pricing could put some pressure on margins in coming quarters if demand moderates. Gold price volatility remains another key risk. Sharp movements in gold prices can impact consumer buying behavior, inventory valuation, and short-term margins, making risk management an important focus area. Looking ahead, growth drivers include continued store expansion, deeper penetration in existing markets, and improved product assortment. Maintaining balance between growth, margins, and working capital will be critical. If demand conditions remain supportive, the company is well placed to scale further while improving profitability through better operating leverage over time. In summary, Thangamile Jewelry's results reflect strong demand, rapid revenue scaling, and improved profitability. For investors, the quarter reinforces the company's growth potential within the organized jewelry retail space, while highlighting the importance of monitoring margins and gold price trends going forward. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.